Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I need some 2x8s. Technically 2x7s is what I'm going to go for. I'm going to get a 7-inch cant. This is going to yield about an 8-inch cant. It's 12.5 inches on each end. You just saw me struggling with that bottle. I'm so tired of those spray bottles. I buy those spray bottles all the time, and they always just stop working. The little check valve stops working, and I blow them out, and probably the product I'm putting in there. And now that was diesel and transmission fluid mixed. That's what I sprayed down my mill with a lot. I still have that original Stellite blade on there. It's got a tooth that's a little out, but it's not real bad. It's not bad actually at all. And if I could easily find it, I would bend it back up, but I have not been able to find it. So if I failed to mention, it's November 7th. This will come out in a few weeks yet. And it's probably 45 to 50 degrees out today. Well, we got a couple little boards out of it. If you can tell, but I am cutting about 4 to 5 percentage points, sometimes even more, all the way up to 30% of the max speed on this thing. I can't keep up. This is this little solar trickle charger I put on sometimes when I have a few minutes between logs. I've mentioned it in the past, but white oak is very resistant to rot. That's why it makes great posts, and anything that touches the ground, white oak is fantastic. It's kind of like cedar when it comes to that aspect. How many of these did I need? I think I need 9. All right. I thought I only needed 9. I need 11. All right, we'll get a 7-inch camp. Then I have another one right there. Got a few nice boards out of this. I'm really happy. Ended up, got our 11. Get these stacked, cleaned and stacked. You know, that Stellite blade, I think that's probably about the 10th log, guys. I'm still really pleased with these. All right, it's, one tooth, just a little bit, but really not bad. I've had new blades cut like this, but that was that blade that fell off when the bearings went out. And boy, now that I know a little bit about those bearings and what it sounds like, you probably saw that video a couple weeks ago or whenever it came out. I don't even know when this video is going to come out. I suspected something was happening, but the bearing behind the blade guide went out as well at the same time. So I thought that was what I was hearing. But in reality, it was the bearings in the drive flywheel. So if you think they're going out, get them out. They're not hard to replace. I showed you how to do it. So these boards are for one of my little cabins. I've shown you a few of them, not all of them, but I've got like 4 of them. Pretty nice cabins, little shooting shacks, 8x16 for the most part. And I need a little landing pad when I step out of one of them. So I'm building myself, let's call it a front porch for it. It's just going to sit right on the ground. That's why I made it out of white oak. There's not going to be posts or anything. I'll do white oak, I'll burn the bottom, and just drop it right on the ground. Still, it'll probably outlast me. Yeah, I know it's wood on the ground, but it's white oak, and it doesn't go fast. It lasts a long time. I am going to need more boards. I might come out here tomorrow and do those boards. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 1-inch boards. They're 9 inches. Over 54 inches. Not enough. If we go, we need 60. All right, so yeah, we might have enough, but I won't have enough. I'm going to cut that other log into 1-inch boards, so that'll do it. I do have that one on the deck. Guys, get outside, man. It's beautiful out. Hopefully everybody's surviving, doing well, staying safe out there. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really like it, share it with a friend, but none of that's even needed. All I need you to do is like and comment.